omume ezi omume ezi omume yiri ezi omume dị ka uwe gị ezuna ori gị agbana mụgha gị fụ nwanne gị n'anya nke kachasị ibe ya yiri ezi omume dị ka uwe. Ụmụ Igbo anyị ekene unu, anyị si na ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma n'ụbọchị nke taata. Anyị si ka anyị kene eke, kene orie, kene afọ, kene nkwọ, kene ndị mbụ, kene ndị ọkpụ, kene ndị egede, kene ndị ichie, kenekwe ndị amaala ibe m, ndị ọ ga-adịrị mma. Anyị nwa bụ Eyionu Business Consultant. Anyị wetara unu ihe gbasara ịzụ ahịa. Dịka anyị si kwuo, ndị Igbo si n'ụwa bụ ahịa. Ihe anyị wetara bụ Igbo Business Philosophy. Igbo Business Philosophy bụ a particular way of exchanging value, exchanging commodity. As Igbo, as ndị Igbo anyị ghọtara n'ụwa bụ a place of exchange of value. There is nothing more and there is nothing less. Ọ bụ ihe Igbo bịa ahịa ka ị ga-ere. Our people based na trading of buying and selling. Anyị emegwe for so many years. At the end of the day, there is nothing to count home about. We have been in the Lagos, in Abuja, in the north, in the Gambia, in Zambia, trading. No achievement. Our land is still in desolate. Nothing to count home about. Is there a time we focus on entrepreneurship, not just about trading and commerce? No. Entrepreneur, which is creativity and innovation. It's time we reorientate ourselves from this baggage of carrying nonsense from all the whole world and selling to our people in the name of business. Everything rejected everywhere in the world. Second hand, dustbin, kokereka, throw away, imitation, all of them, all road lead to Igbo people's market. It's a time we stop this mentality. Let us stop the mentality of carrying garbage all over the world and sell it to our people in the name of trade. Don't enter commerce as a poor person. Don't let poverty to drive you into commerce. Go into commerce as a businessman in the name of an entrepreneur. Then, only then, you can have an end. Because onye na-enweghị mbido anaghị enwe njedebe. The best thing for our people to do, all this your building shops everywhere, when our people have this mentality of building wherever they like. Before you do anything, make a research. This your shop, location of your marketplace is very important. Approval of the location is very important. At the end of the day, this land is this and that, a destroyer. All the whole things about out for 40 years will be just wiped away in one day. This thing will keep on happening to our people in Zambia, in South Africa, in Senegal, in Nigeria, in wherever place. Because we go into business with a poor mindset. No, business is a change of value. It's what you have you will sell. You are selling what somebody have in the name of you want to have money. That is not the what life told you. Life told you a different thing and you are doing a different thing. Nwanne, onye amaghị ebe ọ sara ahụ oyi ga-atụgbukwe ya. Onye amaghị ebe ọ sara ahụ oyi ga-aba ya afọ maka ọ gaghị afụ tawel ọ ga-eje echiche ahụ. It's time to our people to look home. No place like home. No matter how you think about insecurity in Igbo land, it's still better than Akogediniro. No matter, no insecurity in Igbo land will be more dangerous than your property outside Igbo land. There is no bar none. Ndị Igbo si na agụ nwere nchekwube anaghị egbu egbu. Ihe ọjọọ bịara aba n'ala Igbo, ihe ọjọọ gana. Igbo land is not used to distance. Somebody is fueling it. Somebody must be the beneficiary of what is happening in Igbo land. Somebody else must be responsible. That is how life works. Until we go back to basis of investment, business investment, until then, we are not going anywhere. There is no free something on earth. Don't think about everything free. Nothing, nobody will give you anything for free. Free for dump. Dump is for free. Freedom means free for dump. Or dump, onye isi adịrọ mma. You are free. But you have to eat. You have to pay house rent. You have to do this. Everything you have to do, you have to buy it. And you say you are free. Go, let them give you for free everything. If we want to develop Ala Igbo, here we have Igbo developmental plan. All of you in Abuja, in Lagos, in America, you must invest in your land if you want Igbo land development. Land doesn't develop itself. Land without value is zero, and you know what is zero. If you leave your land like this, there is no how security will be there. Because insecurity, source of insecurity is poverty. If we did not, all those money you are burying in Lagos and Abuja and Kenya and Zambia, bring it back to Igbo land through a young business consultant. There is nothing wrong in calling. There is nothing wrong in knowing. If you have any difficulties or any doubt, call and ask question. Jụọ ajụjụ onye ajụjụ anaghị efe ụzọ. We have a way of investment in Igbo land. We have a way, a better way of understanding of business and market. We based on creativity, not to bring in. If you bring goods, they are ready to pay the custom. They are ready to pay import and export license. They are ready to serve the owner of the product. All those ones you are making money for them, collecting your people's money and giving it to these people. Or you what you're doing? You taking away from people, your people, taking their money and sending it that place. And you are a businessman. This is our address. 78 Afikpo Road, Ebonyi State, Abakaliki. Our head office. Our address. Then telephone number. Ị ga-eje nweta anyị na Abakaliki dị or Nigeria or everywhere. Ọwụ na ị na outside Nigeria is +34. Ọwụ na ị nọghị na outside Nigeria is 09. Then outside Nigeria +34 +234 915 8799 987 +234 915 8799 987. Ihe a bụ international number ị ga-eje nweta, Nigeria number ị ga-eje nweta anyị. Then international number ị ga-eje nweta anyị bụ +34 641 340893. Ịkpọ anyị na this number ị ga-enweta anyị. Ihe ọ bụla gbasara business, all road leads to Igbo land. All road lead to Igbo land. Ya dịrị na mmụmụ ibe.